Bonjour tout le monde. I wanted to make this video to talk about how we're going to be uploading assignments into this Google Classroom. I know that some of us are familiar with this from last year, and for a lot of us this is brand new stuff. So it's important that we kind of go over how we're going to manage that in the classroom. Just as a reminder, when we are in the Google Classroom and you're on the stream page here, to find your child's assignments, you're going to go into classwork and you're going to look under aujourd'hui, which means today. So if it's Monday, the Monday assignments will be found here under aujourd'hui. You'll also be able to see like what assignments are due when on the daily agenda. But to actually physically see the instructions to the assignment as well as upload the photos of the work, that will be under aujourd'hui. When the assignments are, like when the day is over, I move those assignments into les devoirs, which is here with the books, which is the assignments, and that'll stay there for about a day. As you have some time to catch up on it, and eventually they will be moved into the categories they belong to. So if it was a French assignment, it'll go here, math, and les contextes is kind of everything else. So any kind of social studies, science, health, any of that will go into les contextes. Also les chansons, I guess, is another folder it could go into. One thing that's kind of new is when we have an assignment, you will see that it kind of looks more like this with the instructions, as well as this thing that says sign in and any additional Google Slides that you might need. So for example, for our treaty, you needed your journal, which is linked here, as well as the class treaty to copy from. This looks a little bit different from when we get a new journal. So when you first open your journal, it's going to look like this and you can see it directly right there. The only difference is I can't keep doing that, just it's only for the first time the assignment comes out. So your assignments will look more like this, and all you do is you read the instructions and you would click sign in and it'll take you to the journal you need to use. Now, I am noticing different types of assignment, like the different ways that they're being uploaded. And I'm just going to go through a couple of those with you, and then I'll show you the correct way that I would like you to be uploading those assignments if we can work on that and practice it a little bit more. So here's the first thing I want to show you. When I'm looking at the assignments and the journals, what I am supposed to see is this orange. I mean, we see one here is green, but I can still see the journal. So the journals are there. When a journal has been deleted or an assignment has been uploaded, like a picture replaced the journal, you'll see something that looks like this on your side. It'll be two attachments and you will no longer have access to your journal. If that happens, your journal, there is a video I'm going to link which will show you how to restore the journal that we need to use. So this is an example of what happens when we upload an attachment not directly into the journal, rather like you replaced the journal, and that's not what we want to do, because then you won't see the instructions to the assignments and I won't be able to comment. So we do want to try to stay away from that. So I'm going to show you one way, the way to upload assignments into the journals. So for example, here is our math journal. This is our grade 2 pattern journal. And the directions say right click here and then select replace image to upload a picture of your work today. So what you will do is you will right click on this big red box here, and you will scroll down until you see replace image, and you will upload from computer, or you can go to the Google Drive, photos, whatever you find works best for your family. Some will take photos on their phone and put it onto their computer, or you can go directly from camera. If you are choosing to do directly from the camera, please ensure that the photo that you upload is not super blurry. Like if you can't read it, I won't be able to read it either. So if we could just make sure they're clear. Just the camera is not the best usually on the computer, but you can try it. Some of them work. So you find what works best with your family, and I'll just show you an example of upload from computer. I clicked upload and you'll see that like all of my options came up. I'm just going to choose this palm tree picture, and that is what the assignment should look like when it's been uploaded properly. I'll just show you one more example of that here, I believe. So you can see this is just another example of what an assignment will look like when it's been uploaded properly. So if you have any questions about doing that process, just let me know. That's probably one of the most important things that we will do with our assignments, because they need to be uploaded into the journal like this. As you'll see over time, these journals will be full of assignments. So what I'll show you is over here, so over here, you'll see eventually, this is just an example, but you'll see multiple pages in your journals. They'll get pretty full with assignments, and that's just how we're going to do it. So that's why it's important to put the assignment onto the correct page, make sure it's the right assignment, and then we'll organize it that way. Another issue that I do see happen with the classroom is completely deleting our journals. It happens by accident, and it happens a lot. So don't feel bad if it happens. I just want to show you how to fix it. I have another video that will show you how to fix it. I just want to show you what it looks like if that does happen. So here is an example. Let me just find it. So when you go into your journal, it's like you go in the Google Classroom under Today, you click your journal, and you see this message, no files attached. Or you could also just see a picture that you might have uploaded instead of the cover page of your journal. You'll know that that file has been deleted. And what you need to do is go back to the original assignment and click Make a Copy. And I will be posting a detailed, it's not my video, but it's a YouTube tutorial on how to make a copy and restore that file. So we'll want to practice that a little bit too. So that is all I have to show for today. If you have any additional questions about uploading assignments, getting onto the links and all of that, always feel free to send me an email and I'll do my best to answer as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.